Okay, the first title is Break Bad Habits that Contribute to Workplace Stress. Many of us make job stresses worse with negative thoughts, negative behavior. If you can turn these self-defeating habits around, you'll find employer-imposed stress easier to handle. So what are these bad habits? You should resist perfectionism. Don't set unrealistic goals for yourself. They're unrealistic, so you will fall short. Aim simply to do your best. Flip your negative thinking. If you focus on the downside of every situation and interaction, then it will happen. Self-fulfilling prophecy. You'll find yourself drained of energy and motivation. Think positively about your work. Don't try to control the uncontrollable. Many things, back to circles, many things at work are beyond our control. In particular, the behavior of other people. Sometimes your colleagues, other departments, line managers, customers, suppliers, distributors. Can you really control the behavior of customers? Look for humor in the situation. And finally, declutter. Clean up your act. If your desk or your workplace is a mess, file and throw away the clutter. Okay. Now for a 2-minute distraction or 2-minute relaxation. Great. I hope you enjoyed that and you're fully calm and relaxed. I'm going to put up the key points without the expansion. All you have to do is think whether this applies to you, whether this applies to you at your place of work. So here is the slide. Resist perfectionism. Flip your negative thinking. Don't try to control the uncontrollable. Look for humor in the situation. Clean up your act. Now, That is your first of your 5 a day. We now move on to the second.